Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my version of chili chicken. So I'll start with marinating. For that, I do a small incision on the chicken piece so that all the flavors go inside. So you can see after this, we are going to add some oil and then we'll add all the spices. So I've already mixed oil, and this is turmeric, a teaspoon of turmeric, then a teaspoon of red chili powder, garlic paste, some lime juice. I forgot to mention I have also added some salt. Then I leave it for an hour. These are the spices and some onions, spring onions and capsicum, a little bit of chili. And it's ready. Thank you so much for watching, guys.